Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on private browsing on iOS 18, and then I will show you this for the Safari and the Google Chrome option. So let's start with this Google Chrome option. Right now we are here on Google Chrome, but we want to private browse. Then what we're gonna do is tap on the three dots just right here, click on New Incognito tab, and right now we are just private browsing on Google Chrome. So if you go and search for maybe YouTube and do search, we are now private browsing. So this is the private option for Google Chrome. Right now, if you go back and go to Safari, right now we are not on a private browser. So what we're gonna do is click right in the bottom on tabs and make sure that you select the private option just right here, and then click on the plus icon just right here. Now we are on a private browsing on Safari, and this is exactly the two options that I wanted to show you. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.